guys, if you're looking for a good travel credit card, try the BPI Visa Signature Card. On this video, we're gonna talk more about it. So, mas malaki yung points na mas malaki. As some of you might already know, I owned a blue BPI MasterCard, which I recently upgraded to a BPI Visa Signature Card. The process was quite easy. All I did was to go to my BPI branch and then requested for the upgrade. So may pina-fill up lang na forms, request for a new credit card, and then once I receive my new card, that is when we process the cancellation of my previous card. But no worries, because all my points from my previous card would be transferred to my new card. So after the request, it took around 3 to 5 days before my new card was delivered to the branch, and then I picked it up. So again, once I picked up the card, that is the time we process the cancellation of my old card. Just to let you guys know, I'm a preferred client in BPI, and I've been using my blue credit card for quite some time now, and I pay my credit card bills timely. And yeah, so maybe that was one of the reasons also I was able to upgrade to this card. But just so you guys know, this is the process on how to apply for a Visa Signature credit card.
Go to the website bpi.com.ph, go to cards, credit cards. Pwede nyo i-click tong apply now button or scroll down and then go to BPI signature or pick whatever card you want, tapos click apply now. Ayan. And then the first question is, are you an existing customer or not? If you click no that you are not an existing customer, it will lead you to this page. So, yan, piliin nyo lang yung card nyo. If yes naman, yan naman yung lalabas. So, I won't go into detail anymore kung paano yung application process, but that is how you start it. If you want to know more about the card, just click view details, and then, ayan, makikita nyo dito yung details. All you need before you apply is one valid ID, front and back copy, and proof of income or copy of your credit card statement from another bank. For the fees and charges, the first year is free and 5,500 per year for the succeeding years. Pwede nyo din ipa-waive to. For supplementary card naman, the first one is free for life, and then the second one is 2,550 per year. So, here you'll see yung interest rates and charges, transaction fees, service fees, minimum amount due, and penalty fees. So, lahat yan makikita nyo dun sa website.
So, here it is. Kakakuha ko lang. So, if you open it, this is what you see. Yan siya, black siya. It's really neat and parang ang fancy, very luxurious yung dating niya. Wow! Here, this is the card itself, as you can see. Once you get this, all you need to do is to activate the card, which I already did. Scan the QR code, which is on the sticker on the card, or text BPI ACT space, last 10 digits of your BPI credit card, and send to 225689. And you can see here the benefits of this card. Mainly for travel siya. You can earn 2 BPI points for every 20 pesos spent. If you watched my previous video, you would know na si BPI Blue Mastercard is 30 plus pesos per point ang conversion niya. And this Visa Signature card is 20 pesos per 1 point. So, mas malaki yung points na makukuha mo with this card. Aside from that, you can enjoy a low 1.85% foreign exchange conversion fee. Now, compared to the other card that I have, yung East-West Titanium credit card, mas mababa naman yung conversion fee niya at 1.75%. Okay? But aside from that, meron pang additional perks si BPI Visa Signature Card. Special exchange rates when you purchase foreign currencies at any BPI branch. So, mas mababa siya compared to the normal conversion rate. Travel insurance, you could reach up to 20 million pesos of coverage. This applies to either land, sea, or air travel, locally or internationally, as long as you use your credit card to pay for your fare. Complimentary airport lounge access at PAG's International Lounges in NAIA 1 and NAIA 3. So, sobrang ganda nito kasi while waiting for your flight, you could always hang out at the lounge and spend your time there. As you can see here at the back, nakalagay dito yung details of the perks. You can also check their website, 24/7 Visa Worldwide Concierge, discounts and privileges on Visa Airport Meet and Greet Immigration Services, Visa Airport Limo Transfer Program, and Visa Luxury Hotel Collection. Other exclusive privileges is access to Vibe, 50% discount at select partner restaurants, hotels, resorts, fitness studios, and wellness centers. So as you can see, more of pang-travel talaga yung mga perks nitong card na to. Ang kagandahan dito with BPI reward points is that wala siyang expiration date. So pwede kayo mag-ipon ng maraming points to reach your target to be able to convert it to travel rewards or other gifts. As you can see, this is what the credit card looks like. I hope you guys learned something on this video. Let me know what you think about this new credit card. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!